Three common mistakes that every founder does while filing a patent application. First is they rush to file a patent application so that they can protect their invention. Too early is a problem. If you file a patent application too early, you may miss out on the improvements that may come in your invention, the changes that can come in a near future. Second, also by rushing a patent application, you may miss an opportunity to test your invention technically, if it is viable, if it is really manufacturable or not. If it is not, your entire investment is wasted, right? So filing too early before getting technical validation of your invention is wrong, which may end up wasting the patent application or investing more on your IP, because maybe you will need to file multiple patents. Second problem, most of the founders and entrepreneurs think that it's a compliance, like getting a license. It's not. If that was so easy, the professionals who are working in this industry would have charged minimal amount. There are people who are doing it, but understand this. The drafting of a claim can increase the valuation of your patent or it can decrease it. It's very easy to get a grant for your patent application. If the claims are narrow, you can immediately get a grant because it becomes very easy for an examiner to give you a certificate because it's difficult to find something similar. But will that help? No. By doing this, what may happen is, by doing minor modifications, your competitors will launch similar products. Is that okay for you? The answer is no, because that is where your market share starts diminishing, right? So if you want effective patents, effective claims, you have to work with the best companies. Otherwise, your invention is great, but if your patent is not so great, still you will end up losing your market share. So take this patenting very seriously and work with the experts. Next is they rush to file a patent application in few countries of their interest. Sometimes you fail to understand that in those countries, maybe it's very difficult to launch a product, or there is an infringement possibility, or in simple ways, you're not able to find or do marketing effectively in that particular jurisdiction, or there is no demand at all. So rushing immediately to file a patent application in multiple countries across the globe is also wrong. So how you should do it? First is check whether you are able to manufacture and sell your product or export your product in those countries. If you're not, it's not good strategy. Because in spite of filing a patent application in those countries, if you're not able to sell a single product, still your competitors can revoke it. You won't be able to license or sell your patent if you yourself are not making any efforts. This is by law, by the way, I'm telling you. Okay? So manufacturing and selling is very important when you file a patent application. If no, you will end up wasting huge amount of money. India, the cost of filing a patent application in India is reasonable. But the moment you step outside, US, Europe, Australia, Singapore, these are very, very expensive countries. The reason is they don't want people to enter in those countries. That is the reason they have made it expensive. And if without giving a thought, if you file a patent application, maybe your R&D investment or your entire startup investment is invested only in patenting. Will that be okay? No. So defining in which countries you want to file a patent application is equally important. You can contact us to make sure that we can help you in drafting effective patents. Also, we can help you in defining in which countries you should file patents so that your investment is optimized. So don't waste your time and contact us right now.